Hey everyone, in today's class we will cover CSS position properties. There are 5 types of position properties: static, absolute, fixed, relative, sticky. So, in the gallery page we will work on these position properties. First of all, we will work on sticky. For suppose we have gallery heading here. When I scroll down it goes up. I want to stick it on the top even the page going down. So I will add in the div class position colon sticky. So you can see now when I scroll down the div stick to the top, so it will not disappear. Now I will add position absolute in the div class. When we add sticky or absolute, we can also set top and left for right. Here, I am going to add top 10 and right 10. So, you can see it went on the top and right. This is called absolute position. It will go out of all the divs if the parent div is not defined as position relative. We will add position relative to its parent div, which is this light yellow color. Once we added this relative, you can see the absolute div taking the top and right of the parent div instead of going out. Now the last property of the position is fixed. You can see this WhatsApp logo here. We will add and position fix. The effect of this property, it will remain on the same position even we scroll down. You can see on the screen I am scrolling down, but the icon here remain on the same place because of the fixed property. There is one thing I want to mention, please add z-index and the order number in each div, otherwise your div will overlap on other divs. So this is what we covered in today's class. I hope you understand the CSS position properties. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.